Understanding the RIASEC Hexagon, how Holland Codes actually work. Many people are familiar with Holland Codes and the 6 personality types they describe: realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising, and conventional. But one of the most useful parts of the Holland model isn't the 6 types themselves. It's understanding how those types relate to one another. This is where the RIASEC Hexagon comes in. Developed by psychologist John Holland, the RIASEC Hexagon organizes the 6 personality types into a simple visual model. Each type occupies a position on the hexagon. The closer 2 types are to one another, the more likely they are to share common interests and preferences. The farther apart they are, the more different they tend to be. This helps explain why most people are not just one Holland type. Instead, most people show a blend of 2 or 3 dominant interests. For example, someone with strong realistic and investigative interests may enjoy engineering, technical problem solving, and working with complex systems. Someone with strong social and enterprising interests may enjoy leadership, coaching, teaching, or motivating others. Because those interests naturally complement one another, they often appear together in assessment results. The Holland Hexagon also helps explain why some combinations are less common. For example, realistic personalities are often drawn toward tools, machinery, and hands-on work. Social personalities are often more interested in teaching, coaching, and helping people. A person can certainly have both interests, but they tend to represent very different activities and work environments. This is one reason Holland assessments typically produce a 3-letter code rather than a single personality type. You might see combinations such as RIA, SEC, or ASE. These combinations provide a more complete picture of a person's interests and workplace preferences. Rather than asking what you are capable of doing, Holland Codes explore a different question. What kinds of activities naturally energize you? 2 people may be equally capable of performing the same job. One may find the work highly engaging. The other may find it draining. Understanding those differences can be valuable for career exploration, employee development, hiring discussions, and team building. At Talent Insights, Holland Codes are combined with DISC behavioral styles and 16 personality communication preferences to provide a broader understanding of workplace fit and motivation. The Holland model is often introduced as 6 personality types, but the real value comes from understanding how those types interact. The RIASEC Hexagon helps explain why certain interests naturally cluster together and why most people are a combination of interests rather than a single type. To learn more about Holland Codes and workplace personality, visit talentinsights.com.